lecturer of sensory evaluation of food. Today, I want to presenting about our assignment 2, evaluation of instant noodle. My name is Aida Fatiha. As a member of Group 2. Now, I will present the introduction of our assignment. First, the objective is to determine consumer preference for different instant noodle brands, and the date we made the sensory evaluation test on 11 May 2026 with 30 healthy panelists. The evaluation we attribute is appearance, flavor, smell, texture, and overall acceptability. For the sample test brand we use is Maggi, Mi Sedap, Mami, and Gardenia. So the preparation is all sample we prepare with hygiene under standard condition. And the last one, the testing condition, we provide mineral water to test the palate between the sample. For the next slide, I will share about the procedure during sensory test. First, we selected 4 instant noodle brands for evaluation, which is Maggi, Mi Sedap, Mami, and Gardenia. For the second, we prepare the master sheet and randomized sample code to put on our sample. And third, we recruit 30 panelists and arrange the test schedule. Next, we prepare clean and well-equipped sensory laboratory. Next, we label and serve sample in code containers. Then we cook the noodles according to package instructions. Then the panelists evaluate each sample using the heredity test. And we collected trace and evaluation form after tasting. Then we clean the laboratory after evaluation test. And the last one, we recorded and analyzed the collected of data. So that's all from me. I will pass the presentation to our next presenter.
Assalamualaikum, I'm Hafsa. So today I will present about the data reporting and analysis. So this is the data reporting. Start with the first question, which is which sample head is the most noticed visually appealing in terms of graph color. So for the most right sample, as you can see from the graph, is sample 1, which is brand Mi Sedap, and the slightly left is sample 2, Gardenia, and the slightly beside is sample 3, Maggi, and the last one that is left is sample 4, Mami. So for the next question is which sample has the most tourist present aroma. So the most right one is sample 3, Maggi, the slightly right sample 1, Mi Sedap, and the slightly beside is sample 2, Gardenia, and then this right one is sample 4, Mami. So next is was the most preferred, and Mr. ranked second, and Mami received the lowest rating. For Logan and SSD, Miss Ina was the most preferred, followed by Gardenia, and Maggie was the least preferred. And overall acceptability, Gardenia achieved the high score, while Miss Ina ranked second, and Maggie and Mami received the lowest score. For Anavarga, the p-value is 0.263, which is bigger than 0.05. And the conclusion, the measurement was still correct, and the conclusion, no significant difference in overall activity among 4 samples. Okay. Lastly, for discussion, overall, we can conclude that each student